Golden beaches stretching as far as the eye can see, sunlight bouncing off the deep blue Mediterranean, a place where every street whispers stories of the past, and every sunset feels like it was painted just for you. But wait, what if you had a guide that not only tells you where to go, but also how to make the most of every moment? What if you knew the secret spots, the hidden gems, and the places most tourists miss? Well, you're about to get exactly that. Stay with me till the end, because this isn't just another travel guide, it's your personal ticket to an unforgettable adventure in Costa del Sol. Transportation. First things first. How do you get here and move around like a pro? The easiest way to arrive is through Málaga Costa del Sol Airport. This airport connects to major international cities, making it a convenient gateway. Once you land, you have options. Taxis are available, but they can get pricey. Instead, the C1 train line is a cheap and fast way to reach key areas like Málaga, Torremolinos, and Fuengirola. If you're staying in Marbella or beyond, buses and private transfers are your best bet. Renting a car is an excellent option, especially if you want to explore the hidden corners of the region. Picture yourself driving along the Mediterranean coastline, windows down, warm sea breeze on your face. It's the ultimate freedom. The roads are well maintained, and parking is generally easy, except in the busiest tourist spots. But let's say you prefer a hassle-free experience. Public buses are reliable and affordable, connecting even the smallest towns. For those staying in Málaga, the metro and local buses make moving around effortless. A great hack? Get the Costa del Sol travel card for unlimited bus rides. It saves money and lets you travel stress-free. Accommodations. Where you stay can make or break your trip. If you're looking for luxury, the newly opened Fairmont La Hacienda Costa del Sol is the definition of high-end elegance. Set right by the beach, it offers top-tier service, ocean views, and an incredible spa. Another classic favorite is the Marbella Club, an iconic retreat that has hosted royalty and celebrities for decades. But maybe you want something stylish and intimate. Boutique hotels like Roommate Valeria in Málaga are perfect, blending local charm with modern comforts. Every detail, from the interior design to the friendly staff, makes your stay special. For families, Holiday World Resort in Benalmádena is packed with fun. Water parks, kids clubs, and spacious rooms make it an all-in-one getaway. And if you're traveling on a budget? No worries, there are plenty of well-rated hostels and guest houses that offer comfort without breaking the bank. No matter your style, Costa del Sol has the perfect stay for you. Key destinations. Now let's talk about where you absolutely must go. Málaga is the beating heart of Costa del Sol, a city where history meets modern vibrance. Walk through the old town, and you'll stumble upon the Picasso Museum after all. This is his birthplace. The Alcazaba Fortress looms above, whispering tales of centuries past. And if you want a panoramic view that will leave you breathless, climb up to Gibralfaro Castle. Then there's Marbella. It's known for luxury, but its old town is pure magic. Narrow alleyways, flower-covered balconies, and hidden plazas make it a dream to explore. Stroll through Plaza de los Naranjos, where orange trees scent the air, and stop at a quaint cafe to soak in the moment. Looking for something more peaceful? Frigiliana is a postcard come to life. Whitewashed houses, blue doors, and cobbled streets transport you to another era. It's one of the prettiest villages in Spain, and trust me, the views from the top are worth every step. And finally, there's Nerja. The Balcón de Europa offers jaw-dropping views over the sea, while the legendary Nerja caves hide underground wonders that date back thousands of years. Costa del Sol is full of places that make you feel like you've stepped into a different world. Activities and attractions. Costa del Sol isn't just about sightseeing, it's about experiences. Let's start with something daring. The Caminito del Rey is one of the most thrilling hikes in the world. Imagine walking along a wooden path clinging to the side of a sheer cliff with a rushing river far below. Sounds terrifying? Maybe. But the adrenaline rush is worth it. And the views? Absolutely unforgettable. If the sea calls to you, then dolphin and whale watching tours are a must. Seeing these incredible creatures in their natural habitat is a moment you'll never forget. Boats leave from Benalmádena and Estepona, and if you're lucky, you'll spot a pod of dolphins dancing through the waves. Golf lovers, you're in paradise. They don't call it Costa del Golf for nothing. With over 70 courses, including the stunning Valle del Golf Resort in Mijas, every golfer, beginner or pro, will find a course to fall in love with. And theme park lovers, brace yourselves. Tivoli World is making a massive comeback, with new rides and attractions that promise to make it one of the top amusement parks in Spain. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just here for the fun, it's a place that brings out the child in everyone. Dining and cuisine food in Costa del Sol? A masterpiece on a plate. If you want to eat like a local, start with espeto de sardinas, fresh sardines skewered and grilled over open flames right on the beach. Simple, smoky, and bursting with flavor, it's the taste of summer in Andalusia. Fine dining? You have to check out Del Mar at Fairmont La Hacienda. Michelin-starred chef Benito Gomez is crafting dishes that are as stunning as they are delicious. It's the kind of place where every bite feels like a work of art. And for the ultimate foodie experience, visit a Tarazanas market in Málaga. It's a feast for the senses, bustling stalls, the scent of fresh seafood, colorful fruits, and the clink of glasses as locals enjoy a quick tapa and a glass of wine. It's the heartbeat of Malaga's food scene, and you'll want to savor every bite. Cultural experiences. Costa del Sol isn't just a beach paradise, it's a cultural treasure trove. Visit the Málaga Film Festival in March, where filmmakers from around the world showcase their work. Art lovers will enjoy the Centre Pompidou Málaga, home to an impressive collection of modern masterpieces. For history buffs, the Alcazaba and Gibralfaro Castle provide a glimpse into the region's Moorish past. The town of Ronda, with its dramatic cliffside location, is another must-see, offering a deep dive into Spain's bullfighting heritage. Flamenco shows in traditional tablaos will immerse you in the raw passion of Andalusian music and dance. Costa del Sol is more than just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you forever. From the sun-kissed beaches where you can unwind, to the thrill of adventure sports and the richness of its history, this place has something for every traveler. Imagine waking up to breathtaking sea views, exploring vibrant markets, savoring delicious Spanish cuisine, and ending the day with a mesmerizing sunset over the Mediterranean. Every corner of Costa del Sol tells a story, and you get to be a part of it. If you're planning your next trip, make it here and make it count. The memories you create will be ones you'll carry with you for a lifetime. Now don't forget, like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon turned on. We've got more incredible travel guides coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. Whether it's hidden gems or popular hotspots, we've got you covered. So stay tuned and get ready for your next unforgettable adventure.